Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
66. Miss Jones teaches mathematics at a school. In one of her classes, the boys and girls are about 8 years old, and they are not very good at arithmetic. Miss Jones always tries to make the work interesting and amusing as well as useful. One day she gave them a question. If you go to the market to buy vegetables, she said, and a carrot and a half cost 12 pence, how much will you have to pay for a dozen carrots? The pupils began to write in their exercise books, and for a long time nobody spoke. Then one boy put his hand up and said, "Could you repeat the question, please, miss?" The teacher began, "If a carrot and a half," but the boy interrupted her. "Oh, a carrot and a half," he said. "All this time I've been trying to work it out in cabbages, miss."
Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.